Hi everyone, my name is Michael, and I'm an associate professor and the founder and CEO of Arludo. Teaching and learning has forever been changed by the COVID-19 pandemic, forcing educators to embrace teaching online. Although learning online has many benefits, many teachers struggle with how to provide hands-on experiences in an online environment. Arludo apps help teachers create immersive learning experiences, allowing students to quickly and easily run experiments and collect data together, online or in person. We can couple our apps with a state-of-the-art media streaming system that allows us to interact with students live, anywhere around the world. But rather than simply tell you what we do, let's show you exactly how this works. And to get started, let's go visit Arludo's Chief Education Research Officer and the Ingenious Programs co-host, Dr. Isabel Kingsley.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my home. As you can see, this is how we bring scientists to young people anywhere and make it a really fun experience. Arludo has over 25 apps and games that we've created to turn mobile devices into scientific equipment. That means that it makes it really simple and easy for students anywhere to collect science data together as they each play the game. So as you can see there, Michael is bringing two augmented reality crabs to life to explore what traits makes a winner crab. He can measure the claw size, the carapace, and the mass, and then make a hypothesis as to which one will win. He can then design an experiment to test his hypothesis.
The really cool aspect of what we've built is that each of the 25 apps and games helps students collect scientific data. We anonymously push those data to the Amazon Web Services infrastructure, where it's aggregated and displayed for students to analyze and interpret together.
These are the data from when we played the same game with our students. Winners had bigger claws, but they also had a larger carapace.
The really cool thing is that students collected these data exactly like scientists do. Essentially, students are replicating real science studies in minutes, and their shared experiences help them analyze and interpret the data to help them understand the concepts.
With what we've built, we can connect students from all over Australia. Students also get to interact and work directly with scientists live online and perform real science and collect real data from anywhere.
And what we've seen is that students love interacting with us online. Just look at all these comments we get straight from students. What's more, our preliminary studies show an improvement in their critical thinking and analytical thinking skills.
By bringing students and scientists together and providing them with the technologies that they like to interact with, mobile devices and live streams, Arludo is changing the way students learn.
We're improving the opportunities for students to interact with scientists and gain a fundamental science understanding and essential 21st century skills. We're bringing real science to everyone, everywhere.